out because I need to take back some stuff to UPS from Amazon. I need to do a run to UPS for some Amazon returns. And then I also have a Walmart pickup order that I don't think I'm gonna be able to get today. But I got all the way down, like I got in the car, drove away, put all the returns in the trunk, got in the car, drove away, and got all the way to maybe like 5 minutes away, 5-10 minutes away, and then realized the car was only had 47 miles on it. So I had to turn around. And now I need to switch cars. I had to put this one on the charger, and I'm trying to decide if I want to switch everything over or I want to just wait a little bit until this one gets enough charge. Right now it's getting 24 miles per hour. Oh, but I already have set everything up in here and I don't feel like switching everything over. So I don't have time to wait for this though, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and move all of the returns over. Put my computer in the other car, put all the returns. Why are you doing that? Key left in vehicle. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put all my returns in the other car. I'm gonna have to take my computer in the other car, put my purse, my water, my camera, my thing for my mount for the camera. Like, I don't feel like doing all that. I don't, but I'm about to have to. So hopefully it is not low on gas because I don't have it in me to go to a gas station. I promise I don't. Okay, it has gas. I don't have to go to the gas station, so we can take that car. Computer, water, purse, phone, camera. To go to Goodwill. It's a whole bunch of stuff in the back of this car that needs to go to Goodwill. Child, it is cold. Okay, so as far as what I need to do, I want to go to Food Lion because they have Coke on sale, Coke products on sale, and I want to get some sodas. I have a craving like you would not believe for a soda, so I think I'm gonna stop there first so I can get some sodas because they are buy one get one free. Did I say that already? I don't know, but they're buy one get one free. I feel like that's a little better. So yeah, I want to get some sodas. I need to go to UPS, and then that's really all I need to. Oh, I need to go to Aldi, because typically I'm almost out of my high protein. I'm almost out of my unfiltered milk or ultra filtered milk, and usually I would get that at Sam's Club. Another option would be Fairlife, but I'm not going to Sam's Club because it's too far away. Fairlife, you pay more for less. For Fairlife, you get 52 ounces at Walmart for like $5, but if I get it from Sam's, it's 59 ounces for $4. And if I go to Aldi, they have it too, and it's the same, 59 ounces for around $4. So I think I want to go to Aldi and look for that. And I need some brown sugar and a couple other small things, but nothing major. Okay, I just did the drop off at Goodwill, and now I'm about to run in Food Lion and get the sodas, and then I'm gonna go to UPS. The way my mouth is just like ready for a soda. Oh my god.
Shopping still alive. See you soon.
Oh. Whew. So good. I swear this Coke Zero, especially the cherry Coke Zero, it tastes just like normal Coke to me. It's not that much different. Like, it's very similar, if not almost exact.
I thought you might be having trouble getting back to court since you're just out here in the rain, Rourke continued. I was going to drown in those eyes, but whether it was Rourke's presence or some latent sense of self-preservation, jacket, lifted him off his feet.
Let me do my UPS returns that I don't feel like doing. I don't feel like carrying that stuff in there. Let me pull up my little what's these things called? My little photos of the QR codes, so I don't have to do it while I'm sitting there holding people up. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got them. All right, let's go. Let me go get this done. All right, y'all, all my errands are done.
Him behind us.
Excuse me.
He stumbled back in surprise, spilling his drink down his...
I just got all of my UPS returns done. I got my Goodwill drop off, all of the old clothes and shoes and stuff, and I got my sodas. So, oh, Aldi. I need to go to Aldi. I'm tripping. My errands are not done. Let's go to Aldi. I got a little list on Instacart. I don't know if y'all use the Instacart app, but because I don't have, actually that's really bad. Hold on. Because I don't have, is that better? I feel like that's a little better because I don't have like, I like to put my grocery list into an app, so I always have it with me, and so I can just kind of do it on the fly. I don't have to worry about like where's my paper to write it down, or I'll put it in my notes sometimes, but I prefer to use an app because then I have like a picture, the price, I can see the full price of the list and all that. I can see everything at a glance. So I have a list inside of the Instacart app for Aldi because Aldi doesn't have an app. Not that thing blinking like that. So I'm gonna use that to kind of guide what I buy. And I do the same thing for Costco. If I'm shopping at Costco and I have a list, it's in Instacart, because Costco, I can't put everything that I want to buy in the Costco app. You got to use Instacart. You can only put like things that are shippable in the Costco app. And then, oof, okay. Yeah. And pretty much every other store has their own app. So like Wegmans, Walmart, everywhere got an app. Like it's only a select few stores that don't have an app that you can use to build your listing. I feel like even Giant has an app. Food Lion definitely has an app. You can shop. You can do a pickup order at Food Lion, and they'll shop for the Food Lion associate will shop for you and bring it out to your car. Let me see what's in my Instacart list for Aldi. All right, so I have strawberries, oranges. I bought oranges already at Sam's Club, so I can take that out. Strawberries, we'll see how they look. Bananas, this is an old list. Apples, tzatziki, this is old. The ultra filtered milk. I have some normal milk, some cereal. Oh, they have a maple vanilla whipped cream. I want to try that, so I think I'm gonna get that. And I want to see like what other whipped cream and cold foam they have there. They have a hot chocolate pancake mix, so I have that in my cart. I got grapes. They have a Danish almond kringle, and that sounds good. I have that in my cart. I don't know if I'm gonna get that or not. And then cucumber. So that's everything. So yeah, let's go and see what they actually have. Oh, these grapes look a little sad, y'all. I don't know. There's one thing about me. I need my grapes crunchy. Like I can't do it if it's not crunchy. Hold on. These are crunchy. Strawberries, I always smell them. They smell sweet. I know they probably gonna taste good. Oh, they have the Kringles. How much are they? Okay, this pumpkin streusel bread is 39 cents right now. So I think I'm gonna get one of these and try it out. Oh, they got some new stuff. Honey mustard pretzel crackers. Okay, I see pumpkin spice. Oh, pumpkin spice or maple vanilla. Let's see if they have the maple vanilla. Oh, there it is. If you have not tried these, the carnitas seasoned pork shoulder, these are so good and they're so cheap. This one is $5. These are great for like burrito bowls and stuff, or if you just want to make like some tacos. These are so, you literally don't have to put any extra seasoning, just put it in the oven. It's good. These are so cute, and these would be a really good like charcuterie board addition. They have chocolate orange, peppermint. Oh, sorry, y'all. chocolate orange peppermint, vanilla, pistachio, gingerbread, and chocolate hazelnut. I don't know how much these are. I don't see a price. Hold on. Oh, $7.99. And then they have this peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough. They have pancake bites and chocolate, and what does that say? I think it's just plain original. Chocolate, a bunch of different Christmas ice creams, and mermaid and unicorn ice cream cones. We have reindeer, snowman, and Christmas trees. And those are $2.19 for those character pops. All right, got my brown sugar. Let's get some cereal. I think I'm gonna get some honey nut Cheerios. I don't see the hot chocolate pancake mix, and I almost forgot to get my milk. Let me see if they have that. Is this it? Oh yeah, this is it. Okay. Reduced fat, ultra filtered milk, 14 grams of protein. And in case y'all didn't know, Aldi has a poppy substitute or dupe for $2.99. Maybe it's on sale, but they have raspberry rose and strawberry lemon and a cherry lime. Alright, y'all, I spent $50. I added 3 more gallons of milk. I called them and they said they were out completely of milk, of normal milk, so I got 3 gallons because they go through milk so fast. So yeah, $50. 3 gallons of milk, 3 boxes of cereal, I think I got 3 different kinds of cheese. Oh, I added some American cheese too. Some grapes, some strawberries, some bread, that pumpkin bread. And y'all saw the other stuff. I can't remember it all off the top of my head, but definitely a good deal. And definitely a good shopping trip. But anyway, I think I'm going to load these groceries up and then go ahead and end this video here because I need to get this edited so I can post it for y'all tomorrow. Hold on. And then I'll see y'all tomorrow after we get these groceries loaded. Oh. Make sure to put the milk behind the bags, that way they don't fall out. I definitely have had a gallon of milk fall out of the car in the garage onto the floor. And then we had to hose the whole garage down and replace the milk. Okay. That's it. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.